Hey everyone, welcome back to Soulful Summit. I'm Grace, and I'm so grateful to have you here today. As always, I want to create a space where we can explore introspective and motivational topics that inspire us to live our best lives. So let's dive right in. Today, I want to talk about something that I believe is crucial for our overall well-being: assessing social obligations and setting boundaries for a healthier you. You know, sometimes we find ourselves caught up in a whirlwind of social commitments, saying yes to everything and everyone, without considering the toll it takes on our mental and emotional health. Spring cleaning your life isn't just about decluttering your physical space, it's also about decluttering your social life. It's about taking a step back and evaluating the social obligations that are draining your energy and leaving you feeling overwhelmed. It's about setting boundaries that allow you to prioritize your own well-being. Now, I know it can be challenging to say no, especially when we don't want to disappoint others or feel like we're letting them down. But here's the thing: by constantly saying yes to everything, we're actually saying no to ourselves. We're saying no to our own needs, our own dreams, and our own happiness. So, I want to challenge you today to assess your social obligations. Take a moment to reflect on the commitments that truly bring you joy and fulfillment, and those that leave you feeling drained and exhausted. It's time to prioritize your own well-being and set boundaries that protect your energy. Remember, setting boundaries doesn't make you selfish. It makes you self-aware. It allows you to show up as your best self in the relationships and commitments that truly matter to you. It's about creating a healthier balance between giving and receiving, between being there for others and being there for yourself. I know it's not easy, but trust me, it's worth it. When you start setting boundaries and assessing your social obligations, you'll notice a shift in your overall well-being. You'll have more time and energy to invest in the things that truly light you up. You'll feel more aligned with your authentic self, and you'll attract people and opportunities that align with your values and aspirations. So, my dear friends, as we embark on this journey of spring cleaning our lives, let's not forget to assess our social obligations and set boundaries for a healthier you. Remember, you deserve to live a life that is filled with joy, fulfillment, and meaningful connections. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Soulful Summit for more content like this. I'm so grateful to have you as part of our community, and I can't wait to continue this journey of self-discovery and growth together. Thank you for joining me today, and remember, you have the power to create a life that truly resonates with your soul. Until next time, take care and keep shining your light.